Welcome to this tutorial video on how to use the temperature measurement module with the ReactALL system. This video will cover the following topics: connecting the TMM to the ReactALL, preparing the temperature probe, inserting the temperature probe into the SmartCap, using the TMM during an experiment, removing the temperature probe from the SmartCap, and some final notes and precautions when using the module. Connecting the TMM to the ReactALL. To begin, connect the cable from the temperature measurement module to the laptop used with the ReactALL system. The power will be indicated by a blue light. To check the connection, open the connection panel. The temperature measurement module will automatically connect and a heartbeat symbol will appear, indicating a successful connection. Preparing the temperature probe. The TMM comes with 5 temperature probes, each corresponding to a specific reactor A, B, C, D, and E. Select the correct temperature probe for the reactor in use and carefully remove the plastic cover by pulling it straight. Inspect the probe for any bends and, if necessary, straighten it gently by hand, taking care not to put a lot of pressure. Next, insert the connector first onto the probe, followed by the ferrule, with the narrow end facing the connector. Make sure the ferrule is positioned in the middle of the thicker metal section. Inserting the temperature probe into the SmartCap. Before inserting the temperature probe, place the reactor vial in the SmartCap. The SmartCap contains a metal guide tube to ensure proper probe positioning. Gently insert the temperature probe through the designated port by applying light pressure, holding the metal part of the probe. Continue inserting until the ferrule position in the port is as shown and the probe reaches the appropriate depth. Once in place, screw the connector securely to ensure proper positioning. Using the TMM during an experiment. When the temperature probe is in use, ReactALL will display an additional measurement, labeled Probe, in the Run and Results tab. Probe temperature readings will also be displayed below the graph. When data is exported, the CSV file will include a column for probe temperature. Removing the temperature probe from the SmartCap. After completing your experiment, carefully unscrew the connector from the SmartCap. Pull the temperature probe out holding the metal part while keeping it straight. Ensure that the ferrule remains attached to the probe. When reinserting, always confirm that the ferrule is in place before screwing the connector back on. Notes and precautions. Handle temperature probes with care to prevent breakage. Always check the connection status in ReactALL before starting an experiment. If a probe is damaged, replace it before taking any measurements. If you have any questions, please reach out to us.